Sectors of Indian economy. Chapter 15, sector of Indian economy. In this, three sectors will be there. First one is primary sector, the second one is secondary sector, and the third one is tertiary sector. In first sector, primary sector is only of our natural resources. Use of natural resources. We make use agriculture, fishing, mining. From agricultural products, we use the raw materials. Like example, like cotton. Cotton, we grow cotton, and we give the secondary sector to make from the cotton. We prepare thread, and from the thread we prepare a cloth. From the use of agriculture, mining, we get gold, iron ore, and magnet. And in the second one, we prepare a road construction of in this industries. And the last one is in tertiary sector. In this, no production or will be only the service will be done. First one is a communication. In the first two, primary sector and the secondary sector, what are the things that I have done? In this, the tertiary sector, the only service will be done through the communication, like calling phone. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ phone or through the email, with the help of communication they will sell, or with the transportation also ಕಬ್ಬನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Finally, in conclusion, all the three main sectors are useful for the development of an Indian economy. Thank you.